If you've been wondering how to get OpenArt for free, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you the exact way to create a free OpenArt account, what you actually get on the free tier, and the limits you need to know before you start generating images. This is perfect if you want to test the platform before paying, or if you just want to understand how the free credits work. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your browser and go to OpenArt.ai. Once the site loads, look in the top right corner of the page and click Login or Sign Up. This is where you'll create your account and access the free trial. If you want the fastest option, choose Google or Discord. Both of these methods are usually one-click sign-in, which makes the setup quick and easy. The good news is that you do not need to enter a credit card just to get started on the free account. After you sign in, OpenArt will create your account and give you access to the free trial credits. Now this part is really important because the free plan is not unlimited. When you join, you get a one-time drop of 40 trial credits. Think of these credits like a balance that you can spend on image generation. Every time you create an image, OpenArt deducts credits from that total. How many credits each image uses can vary. Simpler generations may use fewer credits, while more complex requests, certain models, or higher detail settings can use more. In many cases, it may be around 1 to 5 or more credits per image, depending on what you're making. So if you want to make your free credits last longer, it helps to start with simple prompts and avoid repeatedly regenerating the same image over and over. Now here's the biggest thing to understand about how the free tier works. The 40 credits are a hard limit. Once those trial credits are used up, your free generation access stops. That means you cannot keep generating basic images forever without upgrading. So if you're planning to test OpenArt for free, it's best to use those credits carefully and make sure you're experimenting with the exact types of images you really want to create. There's also another important detail about the free plan. Any images you create on the free tier are typically published to the community showcase automatically. So if privacy matters to you, keep in mind that the free version does not give you the same private output controls that paid tiers offer. That means your creations may be visible to others on the platform. A good way to approach the free trial is to treat it like a test drive. Sign up, explore the interface, try a few prompts, and get a feel for the quality of the results. Then decide whether the platform is worth upgrading for your workflow. That way, you're using the free credits strategically instead of wasting them on random generations. If you run out of credits, that does not mean you did anything wrong. It simply means you reached the trial limit. At that point, your options are to upgrade to a paid plan or wait to see if OpenArt offers any additional promotional credits in the future. But based on the normal free tier, the trial system is designed for short-term testing rather than unlimited use. So to recap, getting OpenArt for free is very simple. Go to OpenArt.ai, click Login or Sign Up, use Google or Discord for quick access, and then use your 40 trial credits wisely. Just remember that the free plan has limits. Your generation access stops when those credits are gone, and your images may be public on the showcase. If this tutorial helped you understand how to get OpenArt for free, please give this video a like and subscribe to the channel for more clear, step-by-step software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.